So you started selling on Amazon, but sales are low, you're not making any money, you're spending a lot of money on PPC ads, and you don't have any reviews, and you're not getting any new reviews. So what should you do? Should you quit Amazon? Is Amazon really maybe a business that's not that viable in 2022? Well, of course not. What you should do is you need to join our free 5-day Sellers Society Challenge by Amazon Sellers Society. During that 5-day challenge, you will be able to increase your sales on Amazon, reduce your PPC ad costs, get a great system for reviews, as well as start making more money on Amazon. All you need to do in order to join the challenge and win amazing prizes is, number one, you need to be an Amazon seller. Number two, you need to join and open a free account on our software, Sellers Society. See, Sellers Society is a profitability and account management tool. Sellers Society is going to help you, and we, during this 5-day challenge, are going to provide you all the support that you need in order to get better results on Amazon. So you need to log into Google, type in Sellers Society, find the website, click on Join 5-Day Challenge, choose the language that you feel more comfortable with, either English or Arabic, and make sure that you're on a desktop or a laptop only the first time, because you will need to integrate your Amazon account into your Sellers Society account. So make sure that you are on a desktop or laptop, create a free account on Sellers Society, and off you go. So we will be providing you all the information, all the help, and direct support on WhatsApp from myself and the team in order for you to really challenge yourself starting May 9th all the way up to May 13th. You can join at any time. Make sure that you join so that you can challenge yourself and you can grow your Amazon business. You will be able and eligible to win amazing prizes from us, as well as a brand new iPad that you can use in order to manage your business. We will announce the winner on May 14th, and you will be entering the draw by simply creating a Sellers Society account. However, if you want more chances of winning and more credit, then what you need to do is, number one, follow us on these social media accounts, on our social media accounts and platform, and take screenshots or create content of yourself using Sellers Society and tag us. Use the hashtag Sellers Society so that you can get more chances of winning our ultimate prize and be crowned the king or queen of this challenge. Are you ready? Let's go. I'll see you there.